Today we are going to learn multiple lookup for a single value. Suppose, for instance, let's consider we are going to find out the city of Aisha. Here, the name of city are two for Aisha, that is Delhi, and at the bottom for Aisha, that is Kolkata. We are going to find out the city corresponding to Aisha using index match. So before executing the formula, let's learn the auxiliary functions. Auxiliary functions means the functions which will help us to execute this. First we'll learn if in an array form. So how will you execute? See here. First, since we are going to find out row number of Aisha from this table, and the row number is not single, there are many row numbers corresponding to Aisha, so we'll choose multiple cells. Press equal if, choose the entire column, equal, choose the entire column. Okay, whenever you choose a range of cells, it's advisable to keep it fixed by pressing F4. Okay, equate means insert equal sign, equate to name Aisha. Okay, equal to name Aisha. Then insert comma, row, again choose the entire column. Okay, same way I am again going to suggest you to press F4 to fix it. Okay, now it will display row numbers of Aisha. So to execute the formula, press Ctrl Shift Enter. Got it? The row number for the first Aisha is 24 and the first second Aisha is 33. That means this if function in the form of array is going to is giving us a set of values of row numbers for Aisha. That means it is a collection of row numbers. Now from this collection we are going to find out first smallest row number and second smallest row number. So for that we are going to learn for that small function. So how does small function runs? Suppose I'm going to insert small function. The small function is asking array from us, so we'll insert the array, that is the set of these numbers. Then key means indexing, that means if I insert 1, it will display the first smallest. If I insert 2, it will display second smallest. Here I have chosen 1 for k, and the function small is displaying 3 from this 3, that means the smallest numbers from among these numbers. Okay, so this way small function works. So here in place of key, that is k, in place of k we'll convert it dynamic numbers, and for converting into dynamic numbers we'll use columns. So now let's learn columns. Columns is asking array. Array might be a single cell or multiple cells. If you select single cell and insert full column, the same cell will appear on the right of the full column, and the cell which is left to the full column, keep it fixed by pressing F4. Okay, so sheet 33, and to fix it, press F4. Press enter. So columns, since the column is only one, since the cell is only single cell, so the columns function is giving the output of 1. If we keep on dragging to the right, the cell address of C33 that is on the right side of all full column will keep on changing from C33 to D33, D33, so on. So the here you can see, as you drag, so it gets changed. Okay. So far we have learned if function, small, and columns. Now in index match, in the formula of index, we are going to merge these functions together to get the desired output. So let's see what can we do. Index okay, small, not small, before small, after before small we are going to find out, we are going to execute if equal to Aisha. Here we are going to deduct 22. Just remember the row number just before the table. That row number will get deducted from the formula. Make it absolute. Okay, now press 2 for the column number of index match. Here 2 is the column number for the index match. That is city. To execute it, press Ctrl Shift Enter. Now drag to the right. Okay.